I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start by ensuring the SRT is UTF-8 and timestamps match your video. This prevents garbled text. Next, import the video into Capcut and then add the SRT file from the same folder so names and versions match. It reduces confusion. Once the files are visible in the media bin, drag the video onto the timeline. Make sure playback matches expected runtime, because syncing issues often stem from an imported video with different frame rate or trimmed sections. Now import the SRT into Capcut using the subtitle import option or by dragging the file directly onto the timeline. Capcut will create a subtitle track. Once the subtitle layer appears above your video, play through and verify each cue aligns with speech. If a caption runs too long, split it and adjust duration so text remains readable. Use quick trims and nudges for fine-tuning. Also check for overlapping captions and correct line breaks, since readability depends on line length and on-screen duration. Finish by styling the subtitles. Pick font, size, color, and safe position so text isn't cut off on phones. Consistency improves comprehension. When ready, export either with embedded subtitle track or burn them into the video. Choose burn-in for players that don't support external SRT. If captions appear out of sync after export, recheck frame rate and resave the SRT with correct timestamps, or re-import using the exact same trimmed video version. This single troubleshooting step fixes most time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.